Welcome to another update video about XRP. So the XRP chart did not move down as outlined in this wave count here before. It had a bit of a shot to the upside, which has a few consequences we want to talk about. So at the moment, primary expectation has to be still that we will make a lower low for XRP. However, it's getting less and less likely. I gave you already in previous videos my view that really only we can consider a more bullish scenario only above 38.1 cent. And actually, ideally, I would want to see it get above 41.6 cent or 41.7. The reason is that what is happening down here, or what has happened down here, has been far from impulsive. Now, how do we deal with this? Basically, because this wave count, as it is on the chart here, has been invalidated. Now, we can take a look at that. And there is still, and again, this stays my primary expectation until we get above at least 38.1 cents. There is one more bearish option left, and in my opinion, that is sort of the last resort for the bears. Okay, so be aware if that gets invalidated, then we have to go with the bullish count. The bullish count just is not a compelling case. Therefore, I've never really considered it. We talked about it before. I showed it to you in a few videos before, but it's just not great. But we have to go with it if XRP breaks above these levels. And the only reason why I'm talking really about the bullish count is because even though it has its flaws, it can be counted bullish without violating any Elliott Wave rules. Therefore, we can consider it, and we have to go with it if those levels get broken. However, what is happening at the moment? Can we still see this as bearish? Yes, we can. And I'm going to do that again until those levels are broken. In my opinion, what we can see here currently is just an Elliott Wave triangle. That has to be now the expectation after we invalidated the impulsive move to the upside, to the downside. So the bearish count, and I'm going to show that to you as well, the bearish count of XRP, the bearish count goes the following way. We select the Elliott Wave triangle, we move up here in a wave A, then we came down in a wave B, we moved up in a C, we came down in a D, and we move up in an E. At the latest here, before we reach 38.1 cents, we need to turn around to make this bearish scenario work. Because if we break above it, we're going to break above the wave C line, and then it just gets very unlikely that this still counts as an Elliott Wave triangle. Here you would usually, or the way those triangles are made up, you expect a breakout to the opposite side of a wave E. Now we can perfectly count it bearish. And as long as we stay below these levels, I just have to repeat it, we can be bearish. But what needs to happen? We need to move down from here. We need to cross below the wave D low. That is a very good indication that an impulsive move to the downside is starting. And then if we break below the wave B, then we are pretty sure, or then I can be pretty sure that we are going to make a lower low below 28.7 cents as well. Yeah, and then finish off the overall correction down here. Now this is the bearish count, how it now needs to be based on the latest price movements, because this wave went up a little bit too high for the other count. Now we also do have a bullish wave count. The bullish wave count I talked about a few times as well before, and I showed you the sub counts as well. But basically we have to see this as a wave 1. We then see this as a wave 2. We are now in a wave 3, come down in a 4, move up in a 5. But in this wave 3, we have done a 1 and a 2. And now we need to break above this level, above this sub wave 1 to make this scenario work. And this is currently why XRP is really at a key decision point here, getting close to that orange target area anyway. This area which is located between 37.7 and 55.3 cents. So this is between the 88.7% fib level, which is down here, and the 78.6% fib level, which is up here, where I originally anticipated the XRP correction to finish. Now it did drop a little bit lower, and as pretty much all cryptos that dropped below the 88.7% fib level, XRP has been struggling to recover. that is probably also the reason why it's been moving sideways here for so long. And maybe this is now the breakout point. Here is a make or break point now. Yeah, there's a good chance we reverse to the downside here and we'll see the bearish scenario work out. But if we break above this, then we have to unpack the bullish wave count. And then the next target after that would be that 41.6 cent level. Can also give you a price target for the next larger wave up where we need to get to. That would be 45.1 cent. Okay, so this is where we would expect the price to move to in a wave 3. Not this wave 3, yeah, but the sub wave 3. The wave 3 of the wave 3 should get to 45.1 cent. Yeah, and that's currently my view about XRP. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.